So, Environmental Protection Agency controls the safe use of pesticides in insect, rodents, and fungus, as well as use of sanitizers that are applied to surfaces. The unit of animal dose to a human human equivalent dose is milligram per kg. So, immunohistopathology is specifically used for or is a definitive diagnostic tool for assessing the potential for a chemical to cause autoimmune disease. Adverse outcome pathway knowledge base from Organization of Economic Cooperation and Development, that is OECD. Yield it that phase 0 clinical trial yields pharmacokinetic data or help with imaging specific targets without introducing pharmacological effects. Water insoluble gases such as nitrogen dioxide and methylene chloride absorbed via as they bypass the upper respiratory tract and absorbed in the deep lung. Genotoxic carcinogens increases the risk of cancer even at the lowest possible dose. So, Percival Pott is the scientist who is known for the discovery or who has reported that chimney swipes and scrotal cancer. Type 3 hypersensitivity reactions include IgG and complement. No observed effect level is not part of the lifetime average daily dose calculation. General responses to immune stimulation includes popliteal and local lymph node assay. So, dominant lethal male assay for mutagenicity includes toxicity to sperm can be suspected. That is because of post-implantation loss. Adrenal cortex. The toxic effects of many xenobiotics are on adrenal cortex. The high lipid content of adrenal cortical cells results in greater accumulation of lipophilic xenobiotic compounds and thus higher tissue exposures than many organs. So, Matthew Joseph Bonaventure Orifila has authored treated this poisons. Recognized mechanism of toxicity for endotoxins includes release of inflammatory mediators from Kupffer cells which are in liver. Dose response assessment includes quantitative relationship between exposure to a chemical and the incidence of an adverse response. Acceptable daily intake can be calculated from no observed adverse effect level values by dividing by uncertainty factor and modifying factor. So, batrachotoxins are obtained from feathers and skin of bird species of genus Pithoi, and it binds to and irreversibly opens the sodium channels of nerve cells and prevents them from closing. It results in paralysis. So, it is extremely potent cardio and neurotoxic. It is included in the class of steroidal alkaloid which has no available antidote till date. So, IRIS program was created, Environmental Protection Agency, in 1985 to provide an internal database of human health assessment for chemicals found in the environment. Continuous inhalation exposure to the human population without an appreciable risk of deleterious effects during a lifetime is called as reference concentration. What is SEND initiative? It has been implemented by FDA to harmonize the review and approval process for new drugs. Analgesic nephropathy is often irreversible of the renal papilla. ICH S4 guideline is for studies of 9 months in non-rodents and not for 12 months. Refinement of the classic guinea pig maximization and Buhler assays is local lymph node assay, which only measures induction, resulting in a shorter assay. Epidemiologic study designs includes cross-sectional studies, cohort studies, and case control studies. So the example of hormesis is low to moderate consumption of alcohol reduces the incidence of coronary heart disease and stroke, while chronic alcohol consumption is well recognized to increase the risk of esophageal cancer, liver cancer, and cirrhosis of the liver at relatively high doses. Predicting the toxicokinetic behavior of chemicals and drug across species is called as allometric scaling. Concept of threshold has been applied to non-carcinogenic chemicals. Aim of preclinical testing is to determine safety margins. Center for Veterinary Medicine in United States of America sponsors can submit a new animal drug application to Center for Veterinary Medicine, and then Center for Veterinary Medicine approves the NADA and the drug sponsor can legally sell the drug. Problem of persistent residues in fat tissues of animals is of organochlorines. Potency is not an absolute expression of drug activity. Accidental exposure to naphthalene causes cataracts. Tetrodotoxins block sodium channels, which are of voltage gated sodium channels of neurons. It leads to then skeletal muscle paralysis. Local lymph node assay is induction of allergic contact dermatitis. Green Book is for FDA approved animal drugs which are included in a publicly available list of approved animal drug products. IRIS, the long form is Integrated Risk Information System. Threshold dose is minimum effective dose of any chemical that evokes a stated all or none response. The Copeland Bill. It led to the passage of the 1938 Food, Drug and Cosmetic Act in United States of America, which is also in continuation with the elixir sulfanilamide incident. DBALM, that is Database Service on Alternative Methods to Animal Experimentation. What is alpha-2-myoglobulin? It increases interaction with the protein residue, its normal degradation in renal lysosomes, leading to marked accumulation of the protein and histological evidence of hyaline droplets. Tolerance is failure to elicit a response to an ordinary dose. Renal toxicity of cephaloridine over cephalothin is due to selective uptake by the organic anion transporter. Primary purpose of SEND is present non-clinical data consistently regardless of the source of the data. Active transport is transport against a concentration gradient. Delayed toxicity is due to xenobiotic exposures. So one of the example is diethylstilbestrol, which is used during pregnancy. So organogenesis in rats takes place on day or in between days 7 to 17. Dispositional tolerance. What is dispositional, which is also called as pharmacokinetic tolerance, occurs because of a decreased quantity of substance reaching the site it affects. Enzyme induction of phenobarbital. It is due to constitutively active receptor. SEND is standard for exchange of non-clinical data. Dose response relationship of the adverse effect observed and to investigate the time course of any such effects is safety pharmacology.